Hello friend, now we are going to see next element sibling, and after that we see previous element sibling, and we also see next sibling and previous sibling, and what are the difference between next sibling and next element sibling, previous element sibling and previous sibling. First of all, let's see what is this. For example, we are targeting D, and after that we know, if we want to know the next of D, we can clearly see it is E, and if we want to know the previous of D, you can clearly see it is C. Why? We are starting from this direction left to right. Okay, we are moving from left to right. That's why after D we have E, and before D we have C. That's why it is previous and it is next. And these B, C, D, E, F are all our sibling. Okay, now let's see how we can practically implement this. Okay, this is the document we are using. Okay, now here we have first of all our div, outer div, which is having id outer, and inside this we have h2 tag, and after that we have inner div. Inside inner div we have inner h2 tag, and then we have box A, B, C, D, E. Okay, now let's see how we can find the next sibling. For that we have to just remove this, and here we use next element sibling. Here we have to provide the targeting div. For example, I want to, because if you want to target div, then it will give you nothing. You have to provide the id to it. For example, if you want to target this, you have to provide id. Here I provide outer head. Okay, I just copy this and paste here. Now let's see the next sibling of outer head. Now let's save. You can see we have inner div is E. This is our inner div, okay, with inner id. Now similarly we can target, for example, inside inner we have child C div. Now I just paste here child hyphen C. Now let's save. You can see we got the box D, and we can style with the help of our id name. I just uncomment, and here I just remove this and provide this id, and after that I use here next element sibling. Now let's say, you can see our next element of C is D, and the color of D is now changed. You can clearly see. Now similarly we can use previous element sibling. I just use. Now here also I just provide previous element sibling. Okay, now let's save. You can see now this color is red. Why? Because before C it is P, or you can see this. Okay, we are targeting this box div. You can see the value also. Just scroll down. Okay, you can find the value also. Okay, now after that, now I want to ask you a question. What is the previous sibling of A, and what is the next sibling of E? Can you answer it? If you know, just comment in comment box. Okay, now I will show you the previous sibling of A. I just provide inner box A id child hyphen A. I just copy this, and here I paste, provide here also A. Now let's save. You can see the previous sibling of A is inner, but if we want to try to find the previous sibling of h2 tag, I just provide id equals to head. Now here I provide head. Okay, head, or here also we provide head. Now let's save. You can see we got the error. Why? Because before inner we don't have anything in this inner div. Okay, that's why we don't have any sibling of head. If I just comment this, because we cannot style the null, let's save. You can see the error is gone, but we have null value. Similarly, if we provide next here, next, and here I just provide the id to our id e. Now I just paste. Now here I provide the id of last element e. Now let's save. What is the next sibling of e? You can see we got another null. This is because we don't have any next sibling of the last element. We don't have previous sibling of any first element. Now let's see the difference between previous sibling and previous element sibling. First I just use here C. Now let's save. You can see it will give us text. You can see here after C we have an enter, that's why it is counting as a string. Similarly, if you provide next here, now let's save, it will again give us text. Why? Because before that we also have an enter, that's why it is give us this text. When we are targeting parent node, children node, first child, last child, next sibling, previous sibling, this all are giving us all the thing that is present in the document, enter, comment, space, everything. But when we are using parent element, children, first element child, last element child, next element sibling, previous element sibling, we are using element, it will give us the HTML tag that we are present. Okay, and when we are using parent node, child node, then it all give us the thing that is present in the document, space, comment, and so on. So that's it for today's video. In this video we see previous element sibling and next element sibling, and previous sibling and next sibling. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.